Hi, my name is Chris Smith, and in this video I'll show you how you can quickly build a dashboard that lets you see when a current customer of yours moves to a new company or organization. So in about 5 minutes, we'll build this dashboard that lets us see when customers of ours have changed jobs within the last 3 months. And this could be super valuable for your sales team to know when they have a warm intro at a new company, or for your success team to know that an account might be at risk of churning. You can follow along with this walkthrough by going to commonroom.io and clicking Get Started for free. And once you create an account, you'll be able to add members to your account. And one simple way to get started with this is to add members from a CSV file. So let's say we have a VIP list of customers that are really important to me as a salesperson or a success person. I can just create a segment around these new users that I'm about to add and upload my CSV file. Next, I can walk through and make sure the data matches with the right headers from the file. Once I confirm this looks good, I can click Review and then Continue, and now I'll have all of these members loaded from the CSV file into a new segment. And now Common Room can go in and start to enrich the profiles of each of these members with things like organization change data. And this data enrichment process gets more valuable as you add more data sources. For instance, you might have people interacting with your brand on LinkedIn, and you can sync that interaction data into your Common Room account by adding LinkedIn as a source to your account. When you do this, Common Room will start loading all of the interaction data from your LinkedIn page and unifying that with all of the members across your Common Room community. And if you go to the lower left-hand corner, you can see all of the connected sources in your account. For instance, Discord, GitHub, Google Sheets, and especially HubSpot CRM in this case, which has a bunch of our account ownership data in it. And you can add many more data sources, including Salesforce CRM or your data warehouse and Snowflake. Now let's take a look at a VIP segment that's already built out with a bunch of sample members. And we can see this segment has over 4,000 members in it. So let's filter it down to just the people that have changed organizations in the last 6 months. Now we can see that list got reduced to just 200 people. And we can expand that range to, say, people that have changed jobs in a year, or even down to people that have changed jobs just in the last 3 months. And from here, you can hover over each of the names individually, see what their current company is, and if you hover over the organization, you can see what their org change history is. Okay, so moving on. Let's say we only want to have a segment that includes people that have changed jobs within the last 3 months. We can create a new segment and give it a name that's descriptive, then click Create Segment. And now we can set up automatic add criteria for this segment. So clicking on Set Criteria, we can add a filter and select people that have changed orgs within the last 12 weeks. And if you want to get more precise, you can filter by member tags or any number of other filter criteria here. So now when we click Save, Common Room will automatically, on an ongoing basis, add members to this segment who show up with an org change within the last 12 weeks. Your team can then monitor this segment and follow up with individual members who change jobs as needed. And you can turn notifications on so you get an email or Slack message when people are added or removed from this segment. And if you're working with a bigger team, you can set up individual statuses for, say, individual account owners to make it easier for someone to come into this segment dashboard and choose just the accounts relevant for them. Here we've created statuses for Laura, Rohan, and Claire. And next, let's set the criteria of when Claire will be applied as a status tag to each individual account. And what we want to do is grab the company owner field from our HubSpot instance. And we can do this by scrolling down on the HubSpot source-specific filter list, or we can also search for company owner in the search field. And now I can select the different company owners from HubSpot. I'll choose Claire Kennedy, and now we can see the list is filtered down to just the accounts that Claire owns. And now when I save this, members in this segment that have Claire as an owner in HubSpot will continually be updated with Claire's status tag. So I can go back to the members page and quickly filter down to only Claire's accounts by clicking on the Claire status icon. And that sums up how you can quickly build a dashboard to track when your customers move to different companies. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful for you.